Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a real quick video. It's a fairly early follow-up on an eyebrow repair that we've done. And this is a 39-year-old black female who is in the medical research community who had two small strip cases done by a competitor of ours locally to repair her eyebrows that she had plucked out as a kid. And she was unsatisfied with the density. And so we saw her and cut out a small little strip. So here's her eyebrows before, and you can see that she's a good-looking girl. She's got pretty eyes, but her eyebrows do have low density.
The spaces, yeah.
And so one of the things with eyebrows is that the hair from your head does not grow like raindrops, like your eyebrows do. It grows in long cylinders, so you're stuck trimming those hairs for the rest of your life. The next issue is that you have to get kind of the weakest hairs here. You don't want thick, bushy hairs stuck in the eyebrows. The third issue is you have to lay the transplanted hairs almost flat with the skin, and so there's really not much skin over top of the root, and so sometimes they don't work quite as well. So we usually plan two cases, one now and one a year later, for any low growth. And then the final thing is you just have to make those things the same orientation. You have to make the slits the same orientation as your eyebrows. And so if you the viewer, looks in the mirror, you'll see that your eyebrow hairs towards the center goes one direction, and out to the sides it actually kind of aims down. And so it can be a challenging case for me to make the holes and for Wendy and Celeste to find the holes. So here she is before with a little bit of low density, and we cut this little strip out. And you can see in this picture the back of her head. She's got not a great scar from her small strip done elsewhere. Hopefully ours will be better. And then out of this we got a couple hundred singles. We cut them as singles. There's no double hair grafts in the eyebrows. And we put them in. So you laid those in there really flat?
Right. Yes, they have to be flat.
And then we saw her at a week and took her stitches out. And it's difficult to see much at the 1 week picture because it's a little crusty, just like on top of the head, and people are scared to clean much, and I'm scared for them to clean much on the eyebrows as well. So then she walked in last week, and it's still isn't fully grown, but she's several months out, and she looks
good.
Awesome.
The spaces, yeah, the spaces are filled in.
Yeah, and she doesn't have mascara, or brow, whatever that stuff that women put on their eyebrows. She does not have that on. These are identical pictures, same camera, and same lighting. So I'm pretty finicky on females in general. I want to make sure there's a problem we can fix or improve. And with eyebrows, you really have to be prepared for the issues we talked about, mainly grooming those eyebrows for the rest of your life. Anything I glossed over, Wendy?
Yes, I know you're finicky with eyebrows. You're finicky doing females because you really need to see that there is a problem in order to fix it.
And you're talking now about hair up on top of that.
Hair here, eyebrows, you just overall.
Well, it's got to be a problem that we have some chance of winning.
Yes, and and I understand, like with the eyebrows, you want them to understand that you have to trim them. That might need a second case.
Right.
And that they won't look 100% natural because the hair here is not the same as how these grow.
Right. Yeah.
So, and I know some females will say, we'll do anything to get good eyebrows.
Right.
But then at the end of the day, they need to understand all those things, and you are pretty upfront and telling them what the issues would be with the results later on.
Right. And just like this girl had gone someplace else where she was sold 2 surgeries and at low yield, we want to make sure that people understand right up front what we can do and what we can't do. Right?
Yes.
So if you have questions or concerns and we can help you, please give Wendy a call.